Another video. The title of this is Your Network is Your Destiny. Now, what I mean by this is you have to select the people around you very carefully. Now, the reason for this is simply that the crabs in a bucket theory. When crabs are all in a bucket and they see someone trying to do better and improve their life and climb higher, they'll pull them down. This is a modern epidemic of jealousy that we have to eliminate from our lives. Now, don't let me fool you. It's not easy. It'll be hard to sacrifice those that right now you may think value your life and that you have a good time with. However, if they do not align with your future, then you have to question whether that is worth risking. If the people around you do not bring you up, then they must go. To put it bluntly, they must go. I'm not going to try and sugarcoat it. I'm not going to try and make it sound easy. It's not. They must go. They do not align with your future self. They do not need to be in the present self unless you want to be stuck where you are. Now, the reason that I've built this platform is so that you guys can network with each other. Those that are serious, that comment, that reach out, I put you guys in my network and we build together. Now, there's a very specific reason that my network is very close-knit, invite only, and not public, because they're hand selected. Because the people around me in my network are picked because they align with my future goals, my future self, and my higher being. That is why they're around me. I don't have anyone around me that is negative, that is not supportive of my progress and my growth. Now, don't let this be another video that goes by that you can relate to but not take action. Take action. You need to be around people that align with your future goals. And if you are not, you're wasting your time. You will not be successful. You will not see growth. You will not see progress if you are stuck in the same cycle of being around low value people that do not benefit your future. Now, this is a very full-on way of looking at life. However, when it comes to success and business, this is the harsh reality of what it has to be like. And if you're watching as a serious guy, serious girl, whoever is watching, you don't even have to be a trader to relate to this video. Let this be the video that gives you the motivation, the short-term motivation to take action. And let that action become discipline. And let that discipline become a long-term habit. You need to start waking up. You need to start selecting who you're giving your energy to. Build your own network with those that align with who you want to become. If there's 5 millionaires in a network and you join, you will likely be the 6th. If there are 5 gamers in a network, you will likely become the 6th. Pick your network, pick your future, and take action. That's all I need to say.